The main skill in mole trapping is deciding where to put the trap. Now, moles follow very regular routes to get to different areas, and they'll often follow a landmark, like a fence line, or like a wall line, or sometimes the edge of a road, the edge of a footpath, or even the edge of a wood. So here we've actually dropped one trap already, further up there, marked by a bamboo cane along the sheet netting fence line. But we've also seen that there's new digging, new working being gone started here. So this mole's been working this fence line, he's been getting to different places by following this fence line. And at this point he's decided to come out into the field on an exploratory run, looking for earthworms or anything else that will drop into his tunnel. So I'm going to look using this to see if I can discover where this mole run is underground. The reason we do this, the way we do this, is to probe the ground, and when the probe goes in, if it's just solid ground, it goes in uniformly, and it feels quite hard to push it in all the way in, depending on how wet the soil is. When we come to where a mole tunnel is, we'll push it in, and when we get to a certain depth, it will suddenly give a little bit as it drops into the tunnel, and that's the best indication we have that we are in the right place. Now, we also need to discover the direction of travel, particularly as tunnel traps are quite long, so they need to be sat into the tunnel. Imagine if the mole is going from this direction, so the tunnel's running in this way, then we need to drop it absolutely perfectly onto that tunnel, so to create no difficulty to the mole in his passage. Okay, so first job is to look for the mole tunnel, the mole run, and which direction it's going. Now we know that he's already working down his fence line, and we can see there's a molehill here. We can also see a molehill here, so common sense dictates that there's probably a line between here to here, which is his run. Now, moles don't always follow obvious routes, partly due to the ground conditions, if it's stony, and possibly even just because they're kind of following a line of feeding. So, but I will start in between. So, push that in. No, that doesn't feel like it. Ground's quite wet. Oh, there we go. So see how much more easily that goes in. So go here. Oh, there we go as well. So if I show you, say, back here, you can see how hard it is to push in, and it goes in uniformly. In fact, we've hit something down there. If I put it in here, it suddenly goes there, so we're probably on the mole's run. Okay, oh, there we go. So definitely on it there. So this would be a great place to put a trap. We just got to, by doing a few probes in a row, we can kind of confirm the direction of the tunnel. So yeah, look, so we've got one here, 2 inches further towards that molehill, going in easy, possibly coming this way. No, not there, so it might be on a bit of a curve. Try this way actually. Yeah, there. Okay, so where we're going to dig is in this line, and hopefully, because we've done our homework, we'll know exactly where to put the trap.